The Netherlands is a country located in northwestern Europe known for its rich history, picturesque landscapes, and unique cuisine. Dutch cuisine reflects the country's agricultural heritage, with an emphasis on simple, hearty, and wholesome dishes. The Netherlands is famous for its cheese, particularly Gouda and Edam. These cheeses are made from cow's milk and are known for their smooth, creamy texture and mild, slightly sweet flavor. Herring is a popular fish in Dutch cuisine, often served raw or pickled. The most traditional way to eat herring is to hold it by the tail and take a bite from the top, while tipping your head back. Kroketten are deep-fried meat croquettes that are popular in the Netherlands. They are typically made with a mixture of minced meat, usually beef or veal, and a thick roux, rolled in breadcrumbs and fried until crispy. Dutch pancakes, or pannenkoeken, are thin and larger than traditional American pancakes, often served with a variety of sweet or savory toppings. Speculoos are traditional Dutch spiced cookies, often shaped into windmill or Sinterklaas, Dutch Santa Claus, figures. These cookies are typically made with a blend of warm spices, such as cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves. Bitterballen are another popular Dutch snack, similar to kroketten but smaller in size. They are typically made with a meat ragout, rolled into balls, coated in breadcrumbs, and deep-fried until crispy. Another popular variation of Dutch pancakes is the poffertjes, which are small, fluffy pancakes often served with butter and powdered sugar. The Netherlands is famous for its outdoor markets, where you can find fresh produce, cheese, fish, and other local specialties. The Netherlands is known for its beer culture, with a variety of breweries producing a wide range of beers, including lagers, pilsners, and specialty beers. Stroopwafels are a beloved Dutch treat made of thin waffle cookies filled with caramel syrup. The Netherlands has a long coastline, so seafood is an important part of Dutch cuisine. The Netherlands has a vibrant coffee culture, with a variety of coffee shops offering different types of coffee, from traditional black coffee to specialty brews. Windmills and tulip fields are iconic symbols of the Netherlands. Dutch cuisine also has a variety of desserts, such as apple pie, oliebollen, Dutch donuts, and advocaat, a thick, creamy liqueur. Dutch cuisine is often served on unique and traditional tableware, such as Delftware, blue and white ceramics, wooden clogs, or rustic pottery.